In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Carnosaurus Saurus with friends. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to present you two alternatives to play CS Saurus with your friends. The first one, and the most simple one, is to simply use the find servers function over here to find servers over the internet that you and your friends can join and play simultaneously. Of course, this means that you will be much more restricted on what maps you have, latency, etc. But this is the quickest way to do it if you don't wish to go through the hassle of setting up the server yourself and having to host it when you and your friends want to play together. Because Steam does not allow you to simply join someone else's lobby by right-clicking their name and selecting Join Game or Invite to Game. This is the second best option that you have in order to get the CS Source experience inside playing immediately. If you are playing on a LAN setting, what you can consider is to select the Create Server button, set up the game as you wish. You can even set up a password and start a server. After you start a server, as I'm going to demonstrate here, you will be able to find this LAN server being hosted over at the server browser. So let's say you start a game over here. All you have to do now, if your friends want to join you, is to select the Find Servers button and switch over to the LAN tab, and your server will be listed here. Besides these two methods, you will have to host a server all yourself, and this is a much more complicated process which I will not be presented fully in this video. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Counter-Strike Source with your friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.